Protect it or lose it. It's as simple as that. Welcome back, John Kleis Car Audio. Simple statement, I know, but in this day and age, unfortunately, cars are getting robbed left, right and centre in less than 30 seconds. Naturally, we're going to come into us to have security added, and these C63Ss are targeted just like all the other Mercedes range, but in particular these because of how rare they are, and they're obviously the high performance, high value model. Probably going to wonder, what can we do to protect it? I'm going to start with the first and foremost product, Autowatch Ghost. You've probably seen it already, you've probably heard of it, it's everywhere. Great product, it's probably the cheapest, best security system available right now. No monthly subscriptions, and it just does what it says on the tin. It's extremely easy to use, and it just stops the car from being stolen. For example, if they've amplified your key like this, or they've stolen the key, I'm going to reenact what would happen if they did that without putting your code in, okay, because this requires a disarm sequence to start the car. So there's the keys. I'm going to put my foot on the brake, I'm going to put start. The vehicle is actually going to start in this one because this immobiliser stops the gearbox from going into gear. It allows the car to start so you can go about and put your car started as normal. I'm going to put it in drive. Now, being the sound of that engine, you're going to hear it, it's going to cut out. The engine's stalled. It's giving me warning codes to say the car cannot move anywhere. Parking brake has been reapplied automatically. Everything is basically kicking off to say it's not starting. Simple as that. I can keep pushing my foot on the brake and keep pushing the start button. It will no longer start now. It has been stalled. It will not start. Keep pushing it. As many times as I want, it will not start. Now, the normal way you would do this, and I'm going to show you now. Once the car's running, all the ignition lights are on, I'm going to put in a generic code for now using a button over here. Very simple code just for demonstration purposes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This isn't the customer code. And then the main beam light on the dashboard is going to flash. Main beam light, reason it flashes, that's our indication to say that the Ghost has been accepted successfully. Now, I can put my foot on the brake, push start, and then put it in drive. Now it works. It's as simple as that. Extremely effective product, and it just works. If your car goes into a, I don't know, valeters, garage, mechanics, or anything like that, and you don't want to give them your code, there is an override procedure. You can turn the Ghost off temporarily. There is a button in this vehicle. You push that up 5 times, and what that does, that temporarily disables the Ghost, allowing him to move the vehicle around. You only get 15 minutes of temporarily driving, because after 15 minutes of continuous driving, the vehicle will automatically reenact a Ghost code. So next time the vehicle's turned off, you will have to put your code back in. But it is great for those temporarily valet mode for when you're giving your car into a garage, so you don't have to give them your code. Other than that, the Ghost says what it does. It's simple. I'm going to leave the video there. It's Connor from John Kleis Car Audio and all the team at John Kleis. See you later.